This is Busy Proud for You channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change avatar or profile picture on Reddit. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Most Reddit users opt for an avatar with which is a customized version of the platform mascot Snow, and as such, your avatar is personal take on this small alien. Everyone gets a default avatar that they can customize. However, you can also use a profile picture on Reddit like any other social media website. This involves uploading a picture you have from your device. So how to do it? It's very simple. If you want to change your profile picture or avatar on Reddit. Of course, we have to open our Reddit. You can open it on the mobile apps or website on your PC or laptop. After that, you can log in into your account. Now, you can click on your profile on the bottom right here. Here, I will show you my profile. You can click on profile. So here's my profile picture still default from the Reddit. Now you can click on the plus icon in here. You can choose on avatar, click on avatar. You can select avatar or you can select a new image because I want to use image from my device. I will choose image from here. We'll use this one. Now you can just click on save. Can wait, maybe you can reload the page and see your new profile picture, your new avatar on your Reddit account. It's very simple, right? You can see here. So here's my new profile picture, my new avatar on my Reddit account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your profile picture on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.